Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a site that's going to pay you $20 today. Yes, today. It's a really easy site to navigate and it's available worldwide for desktop and for mobile. So if you have a phone or a computer, you can make money with this site today. There is no difficult tasks which you should do. It's not watching videos for half a cent. Okay, it's all just basic tasks which are really easy to do. You see the task, you see how much you get paid, and you can do these tasks an unlimited amount of times. You do not have to go learn a new skill to make money with this site. If that sounds like something that you would like to do, okay, then watch this video all the way till the end. It's very important that you do that so you can see exactly how you can earn on this site, because they offer many different ways that you can do that. Okay, and if this site is going to be for you, because I know that not all people are the same, and what works for someone else, okay, what someone else likes may not work for you, or you may not like it. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video until the end. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads, as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. So the site we're looking at today is paytera.com. Paytera is a relatively new site and it wants to be the top GPT site out there. Yes, get paid to site. Now, get paid to sites, what they usually offer are simple tasks, surveys, okay, they offer quizzes, stuff like that. Okay, it's small amounts of money, but it's real easy to do. Now, there's a really great difference with Paytera and the others, because with Paytera you get paid immediately on the same day directly to your PayPal account, and unlike those other sites, they have a 24/7 helpline available. Okay, and a team that's working on the site to check your tasks and send you your payments. They also have unlimited tasks. You can invite your friends and make money from them, and you can access instant payments once you reach the payout threshold. Okay, you can sign up, you can upload videos, you can complete surveys. Okay, you can write for them or write about them. Okay, there's so many ways to earn, but I'm going to show you the complete breakdown of the site. Okay, I just want to show you a few other things of the site. Okay, as you can see here, the amounts of money that people earn, but that's not all. Okay, so once you come over to Paytera, on the top right hand corner you need to click create an account. Now what it's going to do is take you over to this page, okay, where you have to sign up with your real name, your first name, your real last name. You then create yourself a username. Okay, then type in your email address and your password, confirm your password. Okay, and then sign up, and boom, your account is created. Okay, now just to show you that they are legit, here are payment reviews. They encourage all of their users to upload their payment statements to the website so they can show others that they are legit, because there's so many other GPT sites out there that do not pay. I've heard of people waiting for months just to get $10. As you can see here, this guy from the Philippines has been making money. Okay, there's one from Egypt, there's one from Bulgaria. Okay, and they are from all over the world, United Arab Emirates, and you can see their money and the screenshots of their payments. Okay, and a lot of these people have made this amount of money in one day. Okay, one day. It really depends on you, how much time you are willing to put into this site to make that amount of money. Okay, now onto the dashboard. Once you've signed up, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, this is my Paytera referral link. If you want to use it, as you can see, they pay 10 cents per valid referral. Now what does that mean? It means when someone signs up through your referral link, okay, and they go in confirm the email address, and they create their profile on the site, that's a valid referral, and you get paid 10 cents for each referral. Why do they pay you 10 cents? Because tasks here do not take a long time. Okay, this is just an example, okay, of what you can do. So 300 cents, okay, you can get paid 300 cents. Okay, that's a lot of money. That's $3 just for creating an account with Timebucks. So if you haven't created an account with Timebucks yet, they will pay you 300 cents to create an account. Here are some other examples, but hold on, because they also have a tutorial section. Now for if you want to make the best of this site, I suggest coming over to the tutorial section, which is right here on the left hand side. Okay, then find one in your language, click it, and then it'll show you exactly how to make money with this site and how to utilize it. Okay, they'll show you everything you need to know about this site. Okay, and then if you want to set up your payment processes, this is where you do it. You can add your payment methods right here. Most of us choose PayPal. Okay, so type in your full name as registered with your PayPal account, your PayPal address, okay, and then you click add your payment information. Now there is a payment threshold. If you have sent them over 150 referrals, you can withdraw once you reach $20. If you have not sent any referrals or less than 150 referrals, you can only withdraw once you reach $30. But as I said before, this site, okay, you can make that amount of money in one day. Now let's look at this section of micro tasks. Okay, so with micro tasks, you get about 9 sections of the micro tasks. Okay, now in order to get these micro tasks, you need to complete your profile, as I have not yet completed my profile. But that doesn't mean you cannot work on the site. You can work on the site, okay, but you need to complete your profile to get some of these other higher paying tasks. Now if you look at under micro tasks, you'll see another pane that says tasks. Now these are usually just normal tasks. These are installing apps and games on your phones, okay, and partaking in other surveys. But I'll show you the survey section right now, and here you can see different types of panes with a lot of more tasks. Some of these tasks pay you up to $3, some even pay you $5 just for installing an app, keeping it active for 24 hours. But I want to show you guys the surveys and also the paid quizzes. Okay, so the surveys here differ greatly from what you are going to find on other websites. Number one reason I say that is due to the fact that these surveys do not require any pre-qualification. I know that with other sites why people hate surveys, and I actually hate surveys as well, is that you answer 8, sometimes up to 30 questions just to be told that you do not qualify. Okay, but with these surveys, that doesn't happen. Okay, you just start answering the questions and you will get paid for these surveys. All these surveys are really easy to do. Everything is straightforward. Everyone knows all of this. Okay, now we look at the quizzes. Now as you can see here on the right side, this is what you can currently earn for doing the quizzes that you see here. Okay, but there's a catch. Okay, there is a catch, not just a catch, it's a bonus. They accept unlimited tests. Okay, so you can do these quizzes unlimited times. Some may require you to only do it once per hour, but others do not. So as soon as you finish the quiz, you can do it again, and these take anywhere from 2 minutes up to 5 minutes per quiz. Okay, so reaching that amount of money per day, okay, this amount, but today is really not difficult. Okay, I know that it looks very low in payment terms, but you can make this work if you actually start to put in the work, okay, in the effort. Now what they also offer for you is that you can actually submit videos to their site, okay, and they'll pay you in cash for these videos. Now how to tasks, you need to explain how to take the task, cover the task instructions, and that's the basic requirements, okay, and but they give you all the requirements here, okay. As you can see how much they'll pay you, and it's only 4-minute videos, 4-minute videos, okay. The longer the video, the higher they pay you guys, okay. So that's basically what it is, guys. This is Paytera. If you guys maybe want to sign up to this site, check it out, see if it's worth your time and see if it's working for you, because unlike the other sites where you have watched other videos from other YouTubers that have not worked for you, this one will work for you. I guarantee it. If you put in the time, you will reap the rewards, okay. That is all from me for today, guys. I will see you guys in another video, okay. If you have not yet, so please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it with your friends, okay. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.